Hello everyone, I'm Jade. Today we will compare the installation times for our foldable fabric frame and the tube frame. We will test whether our foldable fabric frame speed will up to our advertisement. 3, 2, 1, start. Obviously, the installation time of fabric foldable frame is shorter. If it is for retail, our foldable fabric frame is more recommended and can save your time and labor costs. Lintel provides one-stop service, no MOQ, free design, and quick installation. If you want to know more, please follow me.